On X post, Morgan, a lawyer who backs XRP, said that XRP and HBAR will do better in 2025 than Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. After Trump won the election, Ripple's own coin went up a lot this year. This quote comes after that. Prices have been crazy lately, so there was a lot of talk on the market about what would happen to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. An interesting thing was said by pro-XRP lawyer Bill Morgan about XRP and Hedera. Morgan believes that by 2025, both of these cryptocurrencies will grow more quickly than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. There is more hope in the market after reading this quote, especially since people are very excited about crypto-friendly rules coming out of the US, once Donald Trump had won the race. Notably, Morgan's answer was a response to a number of things said by Crypto Gillinell, a famous crypto expert. Crypto Gillinell says that there will be a bull market boom in 2025. He says that Bitcoin could hit $150,000 and Ethereum could hit $5,000 and Ethereum could hit $5,000. This in the last 3 months of 2025, the market is getting close to its highest point. However, the lawyer for XRP told a different story. He told her that HBAR and XRP do better than the ones she named in terms of price discovery. People are getting more and more sure that Ripple is legal as they wait for the XRP case get thrown away. People were also more hopeful about cryptocurrencies made by US companies, like Ripple, Hedera, and others, after Trump promised to make the US the crypto capital. The price of XRP went back up a little today and stayed close to $2.08, which is the flat line. The 31% rise in the amount of money moved in 24 hours was also seen. It reached $6.22 billion, a lot. Of top experts also stayed positive about the future of the coin. A well-known expert recently said that XRP might go up to $11. Also, the most recent comment from the lawyer who backs XRP shows that the market is feeling good. The market also has more faith because people think an XRP ETF will be allowed in 2025, but today the price of HBAR dropped 2.5% to $2,711. This is in line with a drop in the market as a whole. In one day, its trade hit $708.26 million, a 30% rise. The amount of money that was open to trade in Hedera futures dropped by 5% to $210 million. A Bloomberg ETF expert also said that the Hedera ETF could come out before the Solana and XRP ETFs. This made investors feel better about the market. Hedera and Chainlink have also recently joined forces to make changes in the DeFi space and turn real-world assets into tokens. All of these things have made the market feel better, and a lot of people are looking forward to soon seeing big gains in cryptocurrency. Ripple's value has gone down because the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is still pursuing its case against the company. People who study the market will say that XRP's value might rise after the court case ends. A few weeks ago, experts and market players talked about how they think the lawsuit's result might affect the price of XRP while the case is still being built. After the case was over, a person who invests in digital assets and supports XRP shared a statement from an AI chatbot that said XRP could reach new all-time highs. This gave people hope for the future. To put this into perspective, the case between Ripple and the SEC started on July 13, 2023. The asset's regulatory standing judge and later have made a major decision. XRP is not money. This comes after years of court fights. This choice is a big turning point for the business world. This choice had a big impact on the price of XRP last year, so on October 17, 2024, the securities filed an appeal. This was in reaction to the final decision made in August 2024, which called some parts of it into question. The SEC has to give its opening statement by January 15, 2025. Paul Atkins was recently named as Commissioner of the Securities and was picked by Donald Trump. Some people think that he could speed up the case's resolution, which they believe could be good for the price of XRP. So much hope. It's still not clear how much the price of XRP will rise after the deal is done. People who trade in digital goods have turned to AI tools for help because of this. I'd like to know how much the price of XRP might change if we got the perfect answer. This is an example blue. I'm going to talk about how the market responded to what the SEC said. In December 2020, the SEC brought a case that caused the price of XRP to drop from 0.5 cents to 177 cents, a 66% drop. This is interesting when used with the positive historical proportion. The AI bots came to the conclusion that if the case is dropped, XRP's price would also go up. The price of XRP may have hit a new all-time high with this number. Didi, an investor in digital assets and the XRP price, said that FOMO would rise once the case's possible result, or catalyst, pushed XRP to a new all-time high. The coin is moving in the right way with this. The AI helper said that this guess is based on past patterns, but other things might still change how the XR price moves. It's important to remember that Ripple has come a long way in how it works, how the law treats it, and how the market sees it. It's thought by many in the market that the price of XRP is fair. And Guy Crypto said in October that the worst thing that could happen is that XRP's price hit $6 in this bull market. It could go to a higher level, though, if all the stars align. Ripple began selling on sites like Link2 in 2022. At the time, people thought it was worth between $7 billion and $10 billion. These sites also say that Ripple is worth about $20 billion right now. That is, Ripple is now worth $20 billion and probably will stay that way for most of 2024. Even though this growth chance shows that investors are becoming more interested and hopeful, Doctor still thinks the company is cheap at its current price. Ripple stock is not traded on the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. It is sold on closed markets before the IPO so that investors and buyers can get a feel for the business before it goes public. Many people think that Ripple isn't worth as much as it should be because the company has XRP sitting in a trust account.